Hi everyone, Sam McKnight here, founder of Hair by Sam McKnight with the gorgeous Irina. I'm going to show you how to get a real easy updo. Irina has quite a lot of volume in her hair, but what I'm going to do is, it's quite shiny and a little bit slippery. So to give it some hold and some extra volume on top, I'm going to go for a kind of messy Bordeaux-esque updo with a little 60s volume on top. A little bit of back combing, a bit of gentle back combing. Now, easy updo, I think Vogue called it 20 hairpins in a can. It just gives sort of silky clean hair bite, enough bite and hold so it will stay up. Because sometimes when hair is slippery or there is too much hair, it won't hold a hairpin, it just kind of slides out. So this product is a strong texturizer to give your hair enough volume, enough bite. It will just give your hair enough bite to grab onto itself and to some hairpins, which will make it stay in place. Great for wedding hair, great for events, great for hold and volume. It's great for curly hair too, if you want that big volume on curly hair in the roots. It'll stay like that for days. Once you've got enough volume, I always think volume on top and at the crown and that 60s thing, it keeps coming back. It never kind of really goes out of fashion because it's very, very flattering. So if you're kind of on the day after, you want to bring a bit of glamour back to it really quickly, a little bit of volume on top kind of lifts it and hides a multitude of sins. I'm just going to put some spray through the mid-lengths as well, just so that it holds. Now, it really is, she's got a few layers around there, which we'll just keep down. I think the secret is not to get too complicated with it, to keep it really easy, lift it up. I'm going to try to do this with only 3 hairpins. And I'm going to finish it, if you turn around, I'm just going to finish you off with a little Modern Hairspray just to hold it in place. The secret is with this is to keep it really easy, a bit messy, but with a little control around here, so you've got some volume here and your fringe is just framing your face and these nice little short bits on the edge, and there's a few loose bits hanging down. Who cares? So there you go, an easy updo with 1, maybe 2 products in just a few minutes with just a few hairpins.